So one of the things I'm sure you've heard about, obviously from everyone on the planet, is how the new iPhone 10 does not have a home button. It is all screen and has a controversial notch on the top that houses the new 3D sensing true depth camera system that allows augmented reality to happen. It also is what makes Face ID work, and it's really, really slick. And it does require a notch because it's a bevy of camera sensors and arrays that needs to be there. So thought I'd give you a little demo of how it looks with some of your more common applications. So if you see in the Messages app, you now get a really nice full screen view. And if you swipe up from the bottom of the screen, that is now replacing the home button, and that will take you back to your home screen. And if you swipe from the top corner, the right corner actually, of the iPhone 10, that's what pulls down your control center. And pulling down from the top or the left corner is still going to give you your notifications. And it's pretty slick because the notifications now do not show up with their full preview on the lock screen unless you're actually looking at the screen and paying attention. Otherwise, it just tells you you have notifications and what the app is that's generating it, but doesn't show you the actual preview. A nice feature if you've got somebody who's trying to snoop on your phone. To actually use the multi-switcher, you swipe up from the bottom and hold and pause. And when you do that, you'll see how you take the little taskbar and there you go. You swipe up and you can choose between your different apps. Pick the one you want, and boom. Go back to the home screen. If you want to invoke how to close it, hold down on one of the applications until the little red dot comes up, and then click on it, and then when you're done, you hit done, and that's all you have to do. It does take a little bit of getting used to, and as far as the Face ID works pretty seamlessly. If you have anything in your mouth like a drink or your fingers in front of your face, it's not going to open the phone. It does have a little bit of issue in extreme bright sunlight because it's using a near IR light to scan your face with millions of little micro dots. So the sun can interfere with that if it's directly in the sun, but 99% of the time it works perfectly as long as you aren't covering your face. I haven't had any problems with different facial hair. I actually shaved off a beard to even see if it would change it at all. It did not. I've had no problems with sunglasses. So I think overall most people are going to be pretty happy, and it is easier than using the Touch ID because it's one less step. It does it automatically, and it's really slick when you look at your phone and automatically unlocks the notifications so you can see them. It's really cool.